Okay, so if you have a B2B newsletter, I think you might find this valuable, especially if you run ads to get opt-ins to that newsletter. So this is what we're currently doing. And the thing is with ads, you don't want to ask for too much on the front end. You don't want to add too much friction, right? So you don't want to ask for their first name, last name, their company website, their budget. It just adds a ton of friction, which leads to people just not opting in. So what we're doing is we're just asking for the email, and then we're using that email to then find their company, how many employees they have, what title at that company that person is, and if they match up our criteria, then sending a message in Slack saying, "Look, new qualified prospect," and also then messaging them or connecting with them on LinkedIn. And I'll show you how that whole flow works. It's pretty simple, but I'll show you how it works. So let me just make myself smaller because I'm way too big right now, and come over here. So as you can see, it's a very, very simple make automation. We use ConvertKit. So ConvertKit has an inbuilt webhook essentially, which allows you to listen for when new people opt into a form. So we have one for any content forms and another one for an ad form. So here's the ad form. So what we do is once they opt in, and I'll show you what it looks like, their email address, just their email address, we then try to extract the domain. So what I'm doing here is I'm saying, look, get everything after the app. We just want the at levio.io, for example. And then the next thing is we're actually filtering out anyone that adds a personal email. Now, I do say on the ad, like, please give me your company email, but some people still decide to give a personal email. And if they do, we just filter them out, because if they give a personal email, we're unable to use a database like Apollo to then go and find the company. Because if it's andrew@gmail.com, how are you going to find my company? I mean, there are ways to do that, but I'm not doing that in this example. So once we do that, we then actually use Apollo, and I'm not going to open this up because it has my API key, but we use Apollo and we make a request basically saying, look, we pass in the domain and say, try and find the person at this company, right? So it does that here. Then we're looking to see if it can find that person, because sometimes maybe the person's just made a new domain, so you can't find them on Apollo. Maybe they used a different domain, which is the domain that's connected to Apollo, which just means that Apollo is unable to find that person's LinkedIn, and also unable to find their like first name and last name and all these kind of things. So here's a good example. Here, it actually wasn't able to find the person's contacts, and I'll show you here. It found first name, last name, but LinkedIn, it couldn't find it. So all we're doing here is we're saying, look, if you can't find it, just stop there, because don't send a message in Slack, because there's no LinkedIn for us to reach out to, essentially, right? And then, yeah, we then update our information in ConvertKit saying, I'll give it a second, saying their headcount as well as the title of that person. So we know in ConvertKit, just to keep things nice and simple. And then the last step is we're using HeyReach to actually then connect with that person on LinkedIn. So HeyReach have an API, we can connect with it and basically say, add this person to a campaign to then automatically connect with them on LinkedIn, so they can say, hey, this was the same guy that I opted into his newsletter. Like, here's his face, this guy's real. And then, start a conversation that way. So a very, very simple flow, as you can see. And on Slack, I'll show you how it looks. Just give me a second. So on Slack, here's an example. So here's one from a few days ago. Someone joined, had their name, their email, their company, their website, and then literally go to LinkedIn, takes me straight to their LinkedIn. This is a friend of mine, someone that I know, so I'm not giving away any random information. But yeah, that's a very, very simple flow that we're using to basically very easily get people that join our newsletter, find their companies, send a message in Slack if there's someone we should contact because they match our criteria, and then connect with them and update our ConvertKit. So yeah, if you like this template and you want it, just comment and I'll just send you the blueprint. It's very, very simple. I'll export it and I'll send it to you. You can upload it, change it based on what provider you're using, and then change any other parts of the flow. But yeah, use it and leverage it. Speak soon.